If you need to cancel a pending transaction on YouTube, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Access your YouTube account. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Go to Purchase History. Navigate to the Purchases section. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon, selecting Purchases and Memberships, and then choosing Purchases. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In your purchase history, look for the transaction that is currently pending. This will usually be marked as such, making it easier to identify. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to the transaction, including cancellation. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Follow the prompts to cancel the transaction. Confirm your decision when prompted, and ensure you receive a notification or email confirming the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.